Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I want to share you how to make Shami Kabab. Shami Kabab is very famous for any occasion like Ramadan, Eid, and very presentable as well. So let's get started. Okay, well, here is all my ingredients that which I prepare earlier ahead of time. And for the Shami Kabab, today I will use the mutton. For the protein, can be chicken or can be beef as well. I have here half kilo of mutton. Okay, this is already pre-washed the mutton, and I will add now the sliced onion. This is one sliced onion, and also I will add the sliced ginger and like 3 to 4 cloves of the garlic. And I will add 6 pieces of red chilies. This is the red chilies. And this is the yellow dal, yellow split beans, which I soaked 2 hours ahead of time. And I will add all the yellow dal, and I will add 2 tablespoons of salt. And here we need dry spices. For those dry spices, I will grind it first, and then after I grind, I will add it in the pressure cooker, and I will add the water. For the water, we don't need a lot of water. You don't need to fill up full. You just need to fill just to cover the meat, and then you will boil it for like 15 to 20 minutes. And this is the dry spices. I will add the dry spices. It's already grinded. And now I will add the water. The water, you don't need to add a lot, just enough to cover the meat. So just stir it for a while, just to mix all the ingredients. And then I will add the leftover water. So that's enough. The water is just enough to cover all over the meat. So it's now time to boil the meat. Okay, now I already placed all the ingredients in the pressure cooker. At least I will cook 15 to 20 minutes until the meat becomes soft. So this is our boiled meat and dal. So it's ready. So I will just keep it to cool it down for like 5 to 10 minutes. Still is hot. I will keep it aside. It's become cool down. Then I will use the food processor to blend it. If you have mortar and pestle, you can use it as well. So now all our boiled meat are already in the food processor. Now I'm going to blend it. I just want to blend, so we will lock it. Okay, this is the result that I get. I blend with the meat and the bean. Okay, now I'm going to mix with those ingredients. I have here chopped coriander. I have finely chopped coriander, and then I have mint leaves, also finely chopped, and also I will add chopped onion, and this is chaat masala. I will add chaat masala as well, and chopped green chilies, and I have red chili powder. I will add, and then finally I will add also the egg. Then all those ingredients, you will mix it well. Okay, now I already add the oil in the fry pan. So now we are going to fry. But first of all, I will just spread the oil in my hand to prevent the stickiness or the round in shape. Take it more. For me, I will just make a round shape. Yeah, the oil is ready. This is the first one. For the heat, you will just fry it with the medium heat only. Not too low, not too high. And I will add the second one. And I will add the third one. Now let's turn to the other side. When you are turning to the other side, before you are turning, you have to make sure that on one side should be totally cooked, otherwise it will be break out. So let's check it. Yeah, this one is okay. So if like this, one side is cooked, so just turn to the other side, and then let's see, this one also okay. So just flip it to the other side, and then even this one as well is look okay. So we'll turn to the other side. Otherwise, all the meat will be break out. Now most of our kebab are well cooked from the both sides. So I will just take out from the fry pan and I will place it in the plate. Yes, finally our Shami Kabab is ready. So I will taste it now. How is it? Oh, outer layer is crunchy, inside is so soft, and I'm going to pair with the green chutney. It's so nice. It's so nice, so perfect. Really, all the spices, all the flavor is really well balanced and it's really nice. Try it at home, guys. If you like it, please comment below and let me know how is your experience. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.